In this video, we are going to see how we can change the font size in Microsoft Edge browser. So if you want to change the font style, font size in Microsoft Edge, here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings. On the left hand side, we find this appearance tab. Click on that. And by the way, guys, if you want to turn it to the light mode or dark mode, you can switch it from here as well. And we scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says fonts under the other appearance settings. Click on that. And let's say that we want to set a custom font size. Let's say medium or large font size. It will be like this. And the standard font is this, but let's say we want it is to be in some other style. You change it to that. We go back and immediately you will notice that the font size changed in Microsoft Edge. So whatever you find more convenient, you can switch it to that, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.